This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a special noodle dish for you.
So today we're making pork belly and vegetable chow mein. We're using these fresh noodles. This is a local company called Tak Fang. So these are fresh noodles. We're going to get some really nice crispy noodles for this recipe. So bring some water to a boil. So put the noodles into the boiling water. You only need to boil the noodles for about 30 to 60 seconds. Give the noodles a quick rinse in cold water. Got the wok going at medium-high. Going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So just spread the oil around. Going to put the noodles. Flip the noodles over. So as you can see, you get a nice crispy crust on the noodles here. So I like my noodles really crispy, so I'll put some more oil on the bottom there. A lot of Chinese restaurants, when they ask you if you want soft noodles or crispy noodles, so the soft noodles is just basically boiling the noodles and then put the topping on the boiled noodles. So that's soft noodles. So when you want crispy noodles, you can do it this way by grilling it on a wok or a pan. When you flip it, move the food towards the front of the wok. So when you flip it, it always lands in the middle. That's a little trick that the Chinese cooks do. So easy way to flip the noodles, shake it a bit. So if you have to use your spatula, just shake, just open it up a little bit, and then move the food towards the front of the wok. And when you flip it towards you. So this way you get a perfect flip every time. Flip it one more time. That's it. That's it. Nicely crispy. Okay, that's good. Just gonna put it on the plate, just like that. So I got the wok going at high heat. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Put about maybe a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Put more if you like. Give that a quick sear, like 15 seconds. Sweep it off to the side. Got about maybe 4 or 5 ounces of pork belly here. So I'm just going to sear the pork belly for a few seconds here. Get a real good sear there. So now I'm going to put a bit of salt in there, maybe like a half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put a bit of sesame oil, put about a teaspoon there. The onions are aromatic, so put some onions in there. That piece, just bring it up. I got zucchini, I got red peppers. Put about a cup of Chinese vegetables. I got bok choy, just cut it up into uniform size. The bok choy will shrink a bit, so you cut it slightly bigger than the size that you want. Put about a cup of water in there. So put a little more if you want more sauce, of course. Put a little bit of light soy sauce, maybe a tablespoon or so. So I've got oyster flavor sauce, so I put about a tablespoon. If you want to darken the sauce, just add a bit of dark soy sauce. So I'm going to put about maybe half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put some cornstarch solution here. It's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 cup of water. So this will thicken the sauce. So you probably don't need the whole tablespoon. Sometimes you do. So I put all the red peppers on top because it's nice and colorful. There you have it. Stir-fry pork belly and vegetable chow mein on crispy noodles. Enjoy.
Thanks for checking out my video. Also get a chance to look at some of my other videos on my channel, as well as be sure to subscribe. And I'd like to thank all my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And I was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world.